In our previous video, we looked at all-star LinkedIn profile creation, LinkedIn search, hashtags, and building LinkedIn network. Let us now look at the LinkedIn company page creation process. On the top right-hand corner, click Work and scroll down to the bottom of the drop-down menu and click Create a Company Page. There are 4 options available. Small business for a company with less than 200 employees. Medium to large business for a company with more than 200 employees. Showcase page. Showcase pages are sub-pages of your main LinkedIn page designed to spotlight individual brands, business units, and initiatives. You should have a main LinkedIn page to create a showcase page. Educational institutions for schools and universities. Let's select the small business category. Add your company name and select a page URL for the page. Then add company details like the company website URL, industry, company size, company type, company logo, and tagline. Once we are ready to accept terms, accept them and click on Create Page. Add a cover image. Use this as an opportunity to convey what your brand stands for in short. Be creative with the banner image. The next step is to add a description of our company. Here, you can add details about the company. Also, make sure you add keywords in the description. This will make your company page easily searchable and optimize it for better visibility. It should clearly communicate your company's value proposition to the visitors. We can also add when did the company start as well as the company specialities. The next step is to add office location details. Also add up to 3 hashtags to follow. Follow some of the most trending hashtags within your industry to receive the latest industry trends. Add your brand's hashtag here to ensure that you are able to see all the posts that you use your brand hashtag within and outside of your network. It is important to have a call to action button on your page. Make it easy for the page visitors to contact you. Let's click on Custom button and select Contact Us as an option. Also add your website URL so that anyone who clicks on the button is redirected to your website. The content section shares with you some of the most engaging content on LinkedIn published by various content producers on the platform. You can select the trending topics as per your industry. You can further filter out topics based on your location, job function, and seniority. You can also choose interesting content and share it on your page. LinkedIn also allows you to choose with whom you want to share the content. The content you publish can be seen by anyone or by a specific target audience. You can narrow down your target audience based on industry, location, company size, seniority, job location, etc. The analytics gives you insights about your visitors, updates, and followers. Your visitors, it tells you about unique visitors, page views, and custom button clicks. That is, the number of visitors you clicked on the call to action button on your page. The update section shares insights about the post engagement, that is, reactions, comments, shares, etc. The followers section provides insights into total followers and new followers for the specified time period. The activity tab gives you details about reactions, shares, comments, and mentions for each post activity. You can also invite your profile connections to follow your company page. You can add events to your company page too. Click the event section below. Add details like the event name, broadcast link if it's an online event, date and time of the event, description of the event, link to the ticketing website if applicable, and keep the event as public. That is, anyone can attend, or set it as private, wherein you can send the invite to specific connections in your network. You can allow the invitees to share the invite with their connections too if you wish to. Do not forget to add the logo and event banner to the event page. In this video, we created a LinkedIn company page and events. In the next video, we will learn how to create ads using the LinkedIn platform. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.